In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram unable to log in through web browser. So first of all, make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi connection, or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Next thing that you can do is try different browser. If you're trying to log in from Chrome first of all, then you can try logging in from Brave, or you can try logging in from Microsoft Edge or Firefox. And if you're in an iOS device, then you can try logging in from Safari. Next thing that you can do is go to the browser from where you're trying to log into Instagram. Make sure all of your ad blocks is turned off. Then click on these three dotted lines in the top right corner. Scroll down below, click on settings. Then go to privacy and security. Here you can find delete browsing data, click on it. Make sure you tick on browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. Then in the time range, make sure you click on all time. Then click on delete data. After that, you can try using the Instagram login again. Or simply go to this three dotted lines menu bar again. Here you'll find new Incognito tab. Simply click on it. Then try to log into Instagram from there. And if it's not working even there, you can simply try downloading the app. Open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, install the app. And if it's not working in the web version and the app, then simply that might be the issue of the Instagram server itself. Simply wait for some time, and after that your problems will be fixed. Then you can try login from Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.